Hello there. Today we are going to learn how to make adjustment entries for interest on capital, drawings and depreciation as well. This is the third video of mine of annual accounts of class 11 commerce. A very warm welcome to my channel Let's Learn Spreading Wings. This is Neha Shah. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed. Without any further ado, let's start with illustration 10 of text. Here is the question. Trial balance of Manisha as on 31st March 2015. Capital has been given to you, that is 5 lakh rupees. And adjustment is calculate interest at 10% on capital. We have to compute 10% interest on capital. So what is its adjustment entry? You know very well that any adjustment has at least 2 entries in annual accounts. So this will also have 2 entries. Here I have made the format of P&L account and this is balance sheet. We will calculate 10% interest. How much is 10% of 5 lakh? That is 50,000. So one entry will be on the debit side of P&L account. Interest on capital. How much? 50,000. Capital is written on the liability side in balance sheet. From trial balance, 5 lakh has been given to you. Now these adjustment entries is to be made. So you have to add this interest to capital. Interest on capital, that is 50,000. This way you have to make 2 entries. One is on the debit side of P&L account and the other is that is to be added to capital. Okay. आपने जो टेबल बनाया हुआ होता है ना कैपिटल का, उसके अंदर कैपिटल का इंटरेस्ट कैपिटल में ऐड हो जाता है. Now we will see the next illustration, that is illustration 11. In that you have been given capitals and drawings in the question. Drawings is 10,000 and capital is 5 lakh. Same as the last sum. And you have to make 2 adjustment entries. One is calculate interest at 10% on capital. You have to compute 10% interest on capital. And you have to compute 5% interest on drawings. Okay, let us look at the concept. Why did we debit interest on capital? Because it is expense for the business firm. Okay, interest on capital, this is to be paid to the proprietor from the business, right? So this will be the expense for the business firm and it will be income for proprietor. But for the business firm, it will be expense, so we debit it. Interest on capital is always debited, but interest on drawings is always credited. Why? Because that is income for business firm, because that is to be collected from the proprietor. And as we all know very well that proprietor and business firm, they both have separate existence. है ना? Okay. So here we have to compute both the things, interest on capital as well as interest on drawings. First of all, we will write this capital and drawings in the balance sheet. You have to make the table. Capital 5 lakh. Plus we add interest on capital. Plus net profit. We will make the whole table the way it should be. Minus drawings. Interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. How much is drawings? That is 10,000. 10,000 has been given to you. So write 10,000 over here. This was the entries that we have made from the question, that is from trial balance. Now we are gonna make adjustment entries. Calculate interest at 10% on capital. Capital is 5 lakh. Its 10% is 50,000. So one entry is in the balance sheet, that is to be added in capital into this table. And the other entries, it is expense for the business firm. So P&L account debit side, interest on capital, how much? That is 50,000. Now the next is calculate interest at 5% on drawings. How much is drawing? 10,000. How much is its 5%? 500. So it will be 10,500 total. Drawings plus interest on drawings is 10,500. And the other entry for this interest on drawings is it is to be credited in P&L account, as this is income for the business firm. P&L account credit interest on drawings 500 rupees. I hope you have understood. I'm not adding this all. I mean, I'm not able to find its final figure right now because I don't know how much is net profit. Okay, so we cannot calculate it further, but you have to just keep in mind two things in this question, that interest on capital is to be added to capital, interest on drawing is to be added to drawings, and the other entry for them is interest on capital is to be debited in P&L account and interest on drawings is to be credited. I hope you are getting the things. If you don't understand it, then you can comment in the comment section. And if you like the way of my teaching, then please like the video, please share it maximum with your friends. Illustration 12. Trial balance of Gopi as on 31st March 2015. Plant and machinery has been given to you, that is 3 lakh. This is a part of the trial balance, and in that you have been given the balance of plant and machinery. So first of all, we will write it into the balance sheet. Why it is to be written into the balance sheet? Because this is fixed asset, and fixed asset we write here plant and machinery. How much? It is 3 lakh. You have to write in the inner column because you have adjustment. You have to provide 10% depreciation. What will be two entries? It is to be deducted. This depreciation is to be deducted from plant and machinery minus depreciation. How much? 10% of this. You know very well that if you want to find 10% of any amount, then you just have to remove 1 0. So what is 10% of 3 lakh? That is 30,000. So after deducting this 30,000, you get 2,70,000, the outer column. Now what is the other entry for this 30,000? This depreciation is the non-cash expense for business firm. So it is to be debited to P&L account. You remember very well, all incomes are credited and all expenses are debited except the expenses that are related to purchase and production are debited in trading account. So P&L debit depreciation on plant and machinery, that is 30,000. I hope you have understood these three things clearly. How to note down interest on capital in the annual accounts, interest on drawings, and depreciation also. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep sharing.